How to create a folder on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. In your Samsung S24 Ultra and any other Samsung device, you can create folder on app drawer and home screen. Let's see one by one. First of all, we create folder on a app drawer. Open the app drawer on your device. Long press the application you want to create a folder. Here we long press this. Now here you can see the select option. Tap on the select. Now select the application you want to create a folder. Here we select this the application. Now you can see create folder option at the top right. Tap on it. Now create the folder. Tap the folder name to enter folder name. Enter the name you want to set. Tap the circle icon to change the folder color. Here you can see the different folder color. Tap on it to change the folder color like this. So select the color of the folder. Also customize your favorite folder. Tap on done. Now go back and you can see create the folder color or change the folder color on your Samsung device. It's quite easy to create folder on a app drawer. To create a folder on home screen, follow the same process. Just tap and hold the application and move it to another application. Also create a folder like this. Now you can see create the folder on home screen. So quite easy to create a folder on home screen. To remove it, long press it. Tap on a remove to remove from the home screen. Long press. Tap the remove to remove the folder from the home screen. So that's it. If you like it, share it.